This how-to video is going to go over how to start and stop the VT3000 service. So if you've ever changed any of the settings to any of the files that are kept inside, so that would be maybe you added a new coordinator or you changed a setting on your current coordinator. Maybe you added a radio or took a radio away. Anytime you make some change like that, you have to stop and start the service to get it to rewrite those setting files so that it can work properly. So we're going to start here on this VT3000 core software. Once we're inside, we want to be under administration and then in control center. So select that here for administration, control center. Then we want to be on the control center page. We want to go under application. And we're basically looking for these items right here. So the one we're most interested here is this VT3000 service. So that's the one that you have to reset when you make any kind of a change to any of the settings inside VersaCall. So all you do is just click here so it's highlighted. I'm going to hit the stop button. Now you can see here that it's stopped. It's possible that you could get a skull and crossbones, which is just saying that it hadn't actually stopped yet. All you do is hit refresh until you get your start button and that the message says stopped. So once it's stopped, just go ahead and hit start. So here's that skull and crossbones I was talking about. So it just means that it hasn't actually started yet. All you gotta do again, hit that refresh, and I can see I have my stop button. Tells me my service is running. The only other one that you may want to use will be this web interface. So that's for this page that we're seeing right here in front of us now. This is the web interface for VT3000. And all you do for that one is you're just going to hit the recycle. And it's just going to restart. So the service in the background doesn't actually show you anything on the screen here in front of us. So if I refresh this, now I'll see that the change changed for when that was started before. There should never be any reason why you need to restart these two services, so don't do those unless you get told by a technician. The process is basically the same. You're going to select it, and it's going to give you the stop button. It's going to be that whole same process. And then for this home web interface, it'll be the same thing. Stop it, wait till it stops, then you're going to restart it. That'll conclude this video on how to stop and restart the VersaCall or VT3000 service. Look forward to talking to you again.